Welcome back. I'm Jill with carefreekitchen.com, and today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make a honey soy sauce for chicken thighs. And these can be bone in or bone out chicken thighs, either one works, but it makes the most tender and juicy chicken recipe, and then it has this thick honey soy sauce on it. Your family's going to love this one. Okay, so to get started, here are a few ingredients that you are going to need. Okay, so I have my thighs here, and I've already got them all trimmed up, and that does make it just a little bit easier to eat. So there are my chicken thighs. I've got 8 in there. Then I've got a little bit of avocado oil. This is my honey. I've got soy sauce. This is garlic powder, and then onion powder. Okay, before we get started, be sure to preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Okay, so to get started on the sauce, I'm going to add 1/2 cup soy sauce. I have a few tablespoons of honey. This will give it that sweetness. I have a couple tablespoons of avocado oil, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Okay, and then I'm just going to whisk this together. And you can also put like maybe 1/4 teaspoon of ginger powder in here. That's a really nice addition too. Okay, and then I'm just going to pour this sauce over my chicken. And then I'll just be sure and cover it all. There we go. And you can make this ahead a little bit of time and marinate this if you want, but if you don't have time to marinate it, it's fine. It will cook and turn into kind of a glaze as it bakes. Okay, and then I'm also going to be spraying my pan here with some avocado oil. And then I'm going to put it all into this baking dish. Okay, and I like to turn thigh side up so it looks a little bit better as it's baking. There we go. Okay, so now you're going to bake them in the oven at 375 degrees for about 45 minutes, or until the internal temperature of the chicken reaches 165 degrees. And I like to just use a digital thermometer for that. Okay, on your honey soy chicken thighs, you are going to want to turn these over about halfway through cooking to ensure that all of the chicken is covered. And as this chicken kind of cooks, the sauce down here will kind of evaporate a little bit and become more of a sauce on top. All right, there we go. So now I'm going to put those back into the oven for about 15 more minutes. All right, here is my honey soy chicken. It's so easy to make. The sauce is tangy and sweet and everything we love in a yummy chicken bake. The chicken is tender and juicy, and you're going to love this honey soy sauce. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like this video, follow me here, and share it with a friend, and I'll show you all kinds of fun and easy recipes that your family will love. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.